Click the Add New Client button to start entering a new client into your dashboard. Begin by entering the new client's first name in the provided form field. Type the client's email address to ensure they can be contacted and managed effectively. Open the Client Status menu to select a current status for your new client. Set the client's status as lead if they are a prospective or new contact. Choose a team member to designate responsibility for the client. Click Submit to add the new client to your dashboard to begin the onboarding process. Great! And that is how you add a single client into your business.